Hey, you want to know the fastest way to burn your entire training budget? I mean, turn it into a glorious financial bonfire? Poof, gone, up in smoke? I can show you how. And it's so simple, most training departments are already doing it. Here's the secret. Go find some employees or even a manager and ask them this one magical question. What training do you want? That's it. That's the spark that ignites the entire financial furnace. They'll give you a laundry list of generic wishes. Communication, time management, AI. Just pick one and disappear for a few months and build a course. Pour all of your time into it and spare no expense. Then roll it out and watch as the completions roll in. Feel that warm glow of accomplishment for your great work. And then, and here's the most important part of the budget burning plan, watch as absolutely nothing changes. The business problems are still there.
Ouch!
The deadlines are still being missed. The money is still being lost. It turns out that warm glow wasn't for your work. That was a dumpster fire turning dollars into ashes. Okay, you and I both know that's a horrifyingly terrible idea. But that's what folks in many training departments do. They start the conversation at the end. There's a better way. And it's part of the ADDIE analysis framework that the best in the business use. Don't start with training topics. Start with strategy. Ask powerful questions that validate the training expense. What are the top 3 priorities for the organization? What changes in the market are driving this initiative? If this project achieved only one strategic aim, which would matter most? The answers give you the coordinates for where to channel your efforts. Next, follow the money. Talk financials. How does this initiative connect directly to revenue goals? Which costs are most important to bring down right now? And the killer question, what's the cost of doing nothing? This is how you prove your ROI before you even begin. Suddenly, you're not asking for a budget, you're building a business case. So you dig into business goals. Which goals are we struggling with most right now? Where are the biggest gaps between our goals and the current reality? Then you investigate operations. Where are the biggest bottlenecks costing time and money? What processes, if improved, would make a difference to the bottom line? From there, move from operational down to process outputs. Which outputs are falling short on quality and causing rework? Which outputs drive the most value for the business? Now, after all that investigation, from strategy to financial to business to operations to process, we can finally begin to focus on the people and look at workplace performance. What are the top performers doing that we can scale? What specific employee behaviors are having the biggest negative effect on results? And then at the end of this entire chain, we have the last piece of the puzzle, employee competence. Now you can ask the question that really matters. Based on all the problems we've uncovered, what skills will fix this? Not what topics will fix this, but rather skills. What things will employees do better? What will drive improvements and impact toward the bigger targets? Do you see the difference? You didn't just ask what training they wanted. You diagnosed a multi-million-dollar problem and found a specific skill-based solution to remedy it. And when you do this, you're no longer in danger of torching your budget or your career. You've just built a machine that creates value. So stop playing with fire and start asking powerful questions. And turn your L&D department into the most profitable part of the company. And if you'd like a free copy of my job aid, 70 Powerful Needs Analysis Questions, message me the word powerful, and I'll send you a link to download your very own copy for free. You can use this job aid to drive powerful dialogues with clients, managers, colleagues, and even with yourself to establish clarity, confidence, and credibility during your needs analysis process. Again, just DM me the word powerful or go to ADDIE.academy/powerful to download your free copy now.